Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, cocktails flowing, and your guests raving about the perfectly chilled drinks with soft, chewable nugget ice. This Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with handle delivers exactly that. A game changer for your kitchen, bar, or outdoor adventures. This compact, portable, and smart ice machine produces 33 pounds of pebble ice daily, ready in just 5 minutes, and comes packed with features like self-cleaning and easy-to-use controls. In this review, we'll dive deep into why the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is a must-have, exploring its standout features, benefits, and why it's perfect for your lifestyle. Solving your ice woes. No more struggling with flimsy ice trays or running to the store for overpriced bags of ice. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker tackles common pain points for party hosts, campers, and home bartenders. It eliminates the hassle of slow ice production, ensures you never run out during gatherings, and delivers the coveted nugget ice. Soft, chewable, and ideal for chilling drinks without diluting flavors. Whether you're whipping up mojitos, iced coffee, or a refreshing smoothie, this machine ensures your beverages stay cool and flavorful. Why nugget ice? The game-changing difference. Nugget ice, also known as pebble ice, is a fan favorite for its unique texture. Unlike traditional ice cubes that melt quickly and water down your drink, nugget ice is soft, chewable, and slow-melting. It absorbs flavors, enhancing every sip of your cocktail, soda, or iced tea. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces this premium ice in small, bite-sized pellets, making it a versatile addition for everything from casual sipping to professional-grade mixology. Plus, it's gentle on teeth, making it a hit with kids and adults alike. Key features of the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. Let's break down what makes this countertop ice maker a standout choice. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces nugget ice in just 5 minutes with 7 ounces of ice ready in 20 minutes. Enough for 3 drinks per hour. Say goodbye to waiting hours for ice trays to freeze. High daily output. Churns out up to 33 pounds of ice per day. Perfect for family gatherings, parties, or even small businesses like cafes or bars. Self-cleaning function. Features a smart self-cleaning mode that uses circulating water to keep ice fresh and reduce maintenance. No more scrubbing or worrying about hygiene. Compact and portable design. Measuring 11.3 by 8.6 by 12.6 inches and equipped with a sturdy handle, it's easy to move from your kitchen countertop to a campsite or RV. User-friendly alerts. Equipped with ice full and add water reminders, ensuring you're never caught off guard during a party. Accessories included. Comes with 3 ice bags and a scoop for easy transfer and storage, keeping your ice fresh for later use. Energy-efficient performance. Optimized for minimal water and electricity waste, aligning with sustainable practices for eco-conscious users. Benefits that elevate your experience. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker isn't just about making ice. It's about transforming your daily routine and entertaining game. Here's why it shines. Unmatched convenience. With rapid ice production and smart features, you'll spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your events. The self-cleaning function saves you from tedious maintenance. Versatile for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, camping under the stars, or running a home bar, this machine delivers consistent, high-quality ice wherever you are. Enhanced drink quality. Nugget Ice cools drinks faster and preserves flavors longer, elevating everything from cocktails to smoothies to a professional level. Who's it for? The perfect customer. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is designed for anyone who loves hosting or values convenience in their daily life. It's ideal for home entertainers. Perfect for those who frequently host parties, barbecues, or family gatherings and need a reliable ice supply. Outdoor enthusiasts. Campers, RV travelers, and tailgaters will love its portability and ability to keep drinks chilled on the go. Coffee and cocktail aficionados. Baristas and mixologists who want premium nugget ice to elevate their creations. Families. The chewable ice is safe and fun for kids, making it a great addition to family kitchens. Small business owners. Cafe or bar owners looking for an affordable, high-output ice solution for their customers. Performance in action real-world testing. To truly understand the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker's value, we put it through its paces. During a weekend barbecue, it produced ice in just 5 minutes, keeping up with a crowd of 15 guests without breaking a sweat. The Nugget Ice was a hit in mojitos and iced teas, with guests commenting on its soft texture and slow melt rate. The self-cleaning function was a lifesaver, requiring only a quick cycle to keep the machine spotless. Even when moved to an outdoor patio, the compact design and handle made transport effortless. The only minor drawback? The ice basket fills up quickly during heavy use, so frequent scooping into the included ice bags was necessary to keep production going. Join the Nugget Ice revolution. Don't settle for subpar ice that dilutes your drinks or slows down your hosting game. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with handle is your ticket to effortless, high-quality ice production. Ready to elevate your beverages and impress your guests? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this must-have appliance yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.